Hi! In front of me is Nokia G21, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nokia. Firstly, just access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. Then open it. Thanks to this awesome app, we can find out all the information about this Nokia's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!